Hi students, today I'm going to discuss fundamental topic of organic chemistry. If you are strong in fundamental, then organic chemistry is easy for you. Look at these compounds. What are they? Right, they are organic compounds. Specifically, they are simplest hydrocarbons. Do you know how to name these hydrocarbons? Let's learn. In this session, I'm going to discuss how to name an organic compound, especially for hydrocarbons, and I will make it easy for you students. We have systematic naming scheme for organic compounds. There is nothing but IUPAC nomenclature. Let's learn together. Before that, I recommend you to sit with pen and paper.
Most of the organic compounds are hydrocarbons. Where we are getting this hydrocarbons? By drilling oil wells, we are getting crude oil. From that crude oil, we are getting petroleum. So petroleum is the natural source of hydrocarbons. So the petroleum consists of many hydrocarbons. That is kerosene, gasoline, petrol, everything. It is a mixture. Hydrocarbons consist of hydrogen and carbon. Here, carbon has unique property, that is catenation. Students, only carbon atom has this tendency. Next, there is two types of hydrocarbons. They are saturated and unsaturated. Before you are going to learn what is saturated and unsaturated, you should know how many types of carbon-carbon bonds are there. So three types of carbon-carbon bonds are there. They are carbon-carbon single bond, between carbon atom two bonds double bond, and between carbon triple bond. So saturated means carbon carbon single bond. That compounds are known as saturated. And unsaturated, here also two types of unsaturated compounds. That means carbon carbon double bond or carbon carbon triple bond. So two types of unsaturated compounds are there. Based on the bonds, there is a specific name for the compounds. So carbon-carbon single bond means it is known as alkanes, and carbon-carbon double bond means it is alkene. Carbon-carbon triple bond means it is alkyne. This alk represents number of carbon atoms and A represents single bond. Alk is number of carbon atom and A represents carbon-carbon single bond. Next, here also same. So alk represents number of carbon atoms. Here ene represents carbon-carbon double bond, and I represents carbon-carbon triple bond. In the name itself, you can easily identify the compounds. So here one clue I am giving here to identify which is ane, ene and ine. A means in alphabetical order it comes first. That is 1. So between carbon atom, one bond is there. Next, if you take ene, E, two enes are there, double. So between carbon atom, double bond. And ine, here this Y comes last. So after 2, the last is 3. So between carbon atoms, 3 bonds. So it is very, very important, students. Without knowing the meaning for this ane, ene, ine, you can't identify what type of bond present in the organic compound. Formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2. In all these formulas, N represents number of carbon atoms. Why only it represents carbon atom means depends on the number of carbon atom, we have specific prefix for each compound. So let's take a look at this. So this is the prefix we are using for each carbon atom. Depends on the carbon atom, the name will differ. See here, if it is 1, the name starts with meth, 2 eth, 3 probe. Carbon in one compound, total 4 carbons are there, then the name starts with but, that is prefix. So in a single compound, 5 carbon atoms are there, so it is pent. 6 means hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. That means the number of carbon atoms in a single compound. But now one question will rise in your mind. So where we will use this meth eth probe? That means instead of alk, That means in alkene, alkene, alkynes, instead of that alk, we have to mention the specific number of carbon atoms in each compound. Let's take a look at this tabular column. This is homologous series. Homologous series is a series of compounds which shows similar chemical properties but gradual changes in physical properties. Why changes in physical property means when molecular mass increases, physical property also changes. So what is molecular mass means? The molecular mass is nothing but number of atoms. Mass of number of atoms. See here, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, total 5 atoms. But here 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen, totally 8 atoms. So molecular mass is increased from each compounds. So when molecular mass increases, physical properties also gradually increases, but same chemical properties. All these 10 compounds shows same chemical properties. So this is homologous series. So see here, if compound contains 1 carbon, for alkane means it is methane, like that ethane, propane, 4 means bute, 5 means pent, 6 hexane. So like that decane, up to 10 carbon atoms. And for alkene and alkyne, one thing you should remember students, the first compound starts with 2 carbon atoms. With 1 carbon atom it is not possible because carbon carbon double bond, we need double bond. So with 1 carbon, double bond is not satisfied. The first series of alkene is ethene, like that propene, butene up to decene. And like that for alkyne also, the first compound is ethyne. It starts with 2 carbon atoms. This is very important. So with alkane only you can get methane, 1 carbon. I show you with some examples how to find out which is alkane, alkene and alkyne for given compound. So one question based on alkene, alkene and alkynes. So see here, the question is find out which is alkene, alkene and alkyne. Let's go and solve this question together. So first, take first compound C3H6. Only 3 category, alkane, alkene and alkyne. So formula we know that CnH2n plus 2 means alkene, only 2n means alkene, 2n minus 2 alkyne. So here first you have to check number of carbon atom. Here carbon atom is 3. Now substitute instead of n in these formulas. That means C3H6. So this hydrogen atom, it is a multiple of this 3, right? 3 into 2, 6. That means it is CnH2n formula, which is alkene. And the compound name is, already I said that instead of alk we have to use prefix. If 3 means the name starts with pro, so it is propene. Second, C4H10. Simple thing, first you multiply by 2. So number of carbon atom is 4. 4 into 2, 8. Now, how many hydrogen atom is there? 10. That means plus 2 is there, extra. Extra 2 hydrogen atoms are there after multiplying by 2. That means it is alkane. That is CnH2n plus 2 formula. It is alkane. Instead of alk, you have to mention the number of carbon atoms. So 4 carbon atom means the name starts with bute. So the name is butane. Next, C7H16. So 7 into 2, 14. But here extra 2 is there. That means here also same CnH2n plus 2. That is alkane. So what is the name? Here 7 carbon atoms. 7 means the name starts with hept. And it comes under the category of alkene. So heptane. For C3H4, why don't you pause the video and try the answer for yourself? So find out the answer and mention your answer in the comment box. 3 carbon atoms, 3 into 2, 6. But out of 6, here 4, only 4 is there. So 6 minus 2. That means CnH2n minus 2. Is this the answer you got? Right. It is alkyne. So here alk means number of carbon atom. It is 3. So propyne. C2 H6. For this also try yourself. For this you got ethane. Is this right? Ethane. Eth means 2 and it is alkane, ethane. So like that you have to find out the name for organic compounds. I hope how to find out which is alkane, alkene and alkyne and what is the name for each compound is crystal clear to you. Here is the summary. Two types of hydrocarbons, saturated, unsaturated. Saturated carbon-carbon single bond, unsaturated two types, double bond and triple bond. And specific name for saturated is alkane, for unsaturated alkene and alkyne. This alk represents number of carbon atoms and ane represents single bond, ene represents double bond, ine represents triple bond. And formula for alkene CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2. In all these formulas, n represents number of carbon atoms. We are using different prefix for different number of carbon atoms. So 1 meth, 2 eth, 3 prop, like that up to 10 decane. If you found this video useful, do share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed my channel already, click subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching.